Let's explore calendula herb, long cherished in traditional medicines for its healing properties. In this video, we'll discuss these healing benefits along with the scientific research supporting them. Note that this is not medical advice. See your doctor for that. Calendula is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent ally against skin irritations. When applied topically, calendula can accelerate wound healing and promote tissue regeneration. Let's see how to use it effectively. Calendula is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress and support overall health. Not only does calendula support skin health, but it also aids digestion and can ease stomach discomfort. Let's now take a look at some of the evidence supporting calendula's benefits. A 2023 study of 60 patients with second-degree burns were given either 2,000 milligrams of calendula in capsules with typical burn treatment or burn treatment alone. Those given the calendula supplement had faster healing times compared to the control group. Research from the School of Medicine at Tel Aviv University analyzed 7 clinical studies and concluded that calendula increased wound healing after topical calendula extract. They found calendula reduced venous ulcers and also found significantly reduced inflammation. Researchers from Brazil's University Federal Rio de Janeiro analyzed 5 human clinical studies of calendula and concluded that calendula significantly protected the skin against radiation-related dermatitis. Now, let's make a calming calendula tea. Simply steep the dried flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Calendula oil can be fantastic for skin care, especially for acne and eczema. Apply it directly to the affected areas for best results. Calendula may also help alleviate menstrual discomfort and support hormonal balance. It's worth exploring. Incorporating calendula into your daily routine is easy. Use it in salves or infused oils for added health benefits. Remember, while calendula has many potential benefits, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes. Take care of yourself.